Hello guys, in this video, I will show you an honest review and unbiased review of the CoinIn app. So, CoinIn is developed by PlantIn. It is a coin scanner and identifier app designed for physical coin collectors. So let's go of its pros. Number 1, accurate coin scanner. Just point your camera at a coin and the app uses image recognition to identify it instantly. Number 2, collection tracking. CoinIn lets you track and evaluate your collection, showing estimated values and rankings. Number 3, visual search by photo. You can also manually search coins by uploading a picture. Number 4, market price guide. It provides a market range for various coins, including collectible ones like gold coins or vintage US currency. Number 5, buy and sell function. You can list or browse coins for sale directly within the app. Now for its cons. Number 1, in-app purchases. While the scanner is free to try, advanced features may require a subscription. Number 2, accuracy depends on lighting. Like most scanner apps, the results can vary if the coin is worn or poorly lit. Number 3, niche audience. The app is very specific in coin collectors. So if you're looking for crypto tools, this app is not for you. So for final verdict, if you're a coin collector or just curious about that old coin that you found in your drawer, Coinin is a powerful tool. It's well designed, beginner friendly, and provides real market insights. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.